If you want to join our giveaways, check the description below and take a chance to win.
Speculative Chemistry Pay plans to overcome any barrier among crypto and government-issued types of money and utilizations the Alchemy Pay (ACH) token to assist it with working. What is the ACH cost expectation? We should investigate. Before we do that, however, we should view Alchemy Pay's cost history. While earlier execution is no sign of future outcomes, knowing what the crypto has done already can give some helpful setting with regards to making an ACH cost expectation. ACH cost history. At the point when the Alchemy Pay crypto token went onto the open market in September 2020, it was worth about 2 cents. Well, there was a little bull run, as is commonplace for recently sent off digital currencies, the cost immediately dropped down, and by October 2020, it was exchanging at about 1 cent. It would enjoy the following 10 months with that point as a roof for the coin's true capacity, with a record-breaking low of $0.001338 on 20 July, filling in as the symbolics nadir, until there was a thrilling piece of information. In August 2021, it was declared that crypto trade Binance was collaborating with Alchemy Pay to make an installment span among digital currency and fiat in the Binance wallet. This would, as a result, permit individuals to pay with crypto from their Binance wallet at a scope of organizations including Shopify, Aldo and Sealavai. Talking at that point, Alchemy Pay CEO John Tan said, "Speculative Chemistry Pay's organization with Binance for the Binance Pay wallet essentially grows the common spine applications we work between the crypto and fiat universes. The news truly assisted with putting ACH on the crypto map. Its cost soared, going from $0.004263 toward the beginning of August 2021 to an untouched high of $0.1975 on 6 August. An ascent of over 4,000% in the space of only 4 days. This was only a spike in any case, and the cost before long went down once more. By the center of the month it had settled at somewhere near the 8 cents mark, prior to rising again to close the month at $0.09805. September's story was one of decline, however, and ACH wound up shutting the month at $0.06284. October 2021 was a period of more noteworthy solidness, with Alchemy Pay floating around the 6 cents mark, prior to seeing an upsurge of action towards the month's end to complete at $0.07166. November 2021, then again, got going great, with the coin crushing spirit through the 10 cents mark interestingly since August to reach $0.1127. From that point onward, however, worries over the Omicron variation of COVID-19 hit the digital money market and ACH was trapped in the rut, shutting the month at $0.09196. Concerns connecting with the pandemic went on into December 2021, and the coin shut the year at $0.06356. While that was down from ongoing highs, it merits placing into setting the way that it had shut 2020 at $0.003466, which implied that it had gone up by over 1,000% throughout the span of 2021. In January 2022, the cost of ACH stayed stable at around 6 cents in the initial segment of the month, excepting a spike on 10 January that saw it momentarily arrive at a high of $0.09293. Notwithstanding, ACH drooped later on, with the cost toward the month's end tumbling to $0.03934. In February, things began to look somewhat more uplifting, with a general vertical pattern seeing a month-to-month high of $0.06824 on 16 February 2022. Not even the news that Alchemy Pay had gone into an organization with Spanish football club Real Betis could stop a general market slump brought about by worry over the Russian intrusion of Ukraine. In any case, and toward the beginning of March 2022, the cost remained at around $0.0485. From that point forward it has gone down, tumbling to around $0.041 on 22 March. The value development was downwards, with a low coming following China's restriction on crypto. ACH dropped to $0.0343 on 12 April, prior to recuperating to $0.04447 the next day. Things then, at that point, kept on spiraling down and, on 26 April, it was worth around $0.0297. The terrible news was not finished, however, and, on 9 May 2022, ACH was valued at $0.022. Things deteriorated following the depegging of Terrost and the breakdown of Luna, and, on 12 May, it tumbled to an intraday low of $0.01328. There was some recuperation after that and, following the news that ACH was to be recorded on the KuCoin trade, it arrived at a high of $0.03593 on 24 May. That was pretty much as great as things got, however, and the coin's cost fell down to around $0.015 on 7 June. The descending force proceeded, with a low of $0.01062 on 13 June, as the crossing out of withdrawals on the Celsius network affirmed the crypto bear market. In the month or so from that point forward, however, there were more ups than downs, as it gradually began to turn itself around, and, on 18 July 2022, the crypto was worth about $0.0129. Around then, there were 4.71 billion ACH available for use out of an all-out supply of 10 billion. This gave it a market cap of somewhat more than $60.7 million, making it the 342nd biggest crypto by that measurement. ACH cost figure. Before we begin taking a gander at any Alchemy Pay expectations, it is essential to remember that drawn-out conjectures are many times wrong. Moreover, crypto forecasts are many times made utilizing a calculation, which can change all of a sudden. Has an Alchemy Pay cost expectation for 2022 that says the symbolic will worth around $0.00929 on 31 December. The coin's cost will then, at that point, ascend to around 14 cents on 22 June 2023, preceding it develops to simply more than 23 cents a year after the fact. On 22 June 2025, ACH ought to merit somewhat more than 52 cents. On a similar date in 2026 it should somewhere close to 77 cents and 78 cents, and a year after that it will be a small portion of a penny under $1.07. Has an ACH crypto cost forecast that says it will arrive at a typical cost of $0.019 in 2022, ascending to $0.027 in 2023, $0.039 in 2024, and $0.054 in 2025. The site recommends the coin's typical cost in 2026 will be